Good day, my dear student. Today I will start a new topic from your science subject, chapter number 3. Topic of the chapter is Animal that help us. In this chapter, I will discuss how animal useful for us. So let's start the chapter. Look at the picture. We will see various animals and birds. We tempt all these animals. Here we see sheep, goat, cow, hen, duck and horse. All these animals are living with us. Dear student, do you know why we keep this animal with us? I will teach you why we keep all these animal with us. These all animals are very useful for us and we call them domestic animal. What do you mean by tempt? In simple word, I explain here, a animal or bird is not wild any longer because it has been trained to live with people. Man learned to tame animals long ago. He tamed them because they were useful to him. The tamed animals are living with humans for many years. We call them domestic animals. Tamed an animals that has been trained to live with people. It's also a definition here. Now come to the next topic. What is domestic animal? Animals like cow, horse, goat, sheep, duck and hen can be tamed and kept at farms or homes. The animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. I repeat once again, the animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. Now come to the next page. Pets. Some people likes to keep animal as pet. They likes to play with them and look after them. People who keep domestic animals take good care of them. They give them good foods to eat, clean waters to drink, and a clean place to live in. And a short note there, birds likes to be free, so don't keep them in a cage. And fish can be kept in an aquarium. There are some domestic animals which we kept in home also, okay? Domestic animal example I explain here. We make homes for some animals we keep. Some of the example here. Here we see hens we keep in coop. Cow we keep them in shade. Horse we keep them in stable. Why we keep domestic animal with us? We keep them because they are very useful for us. They are called helpful animals. Animals help us in many ways. Student, we all love to drink milk. Animals like cow, buffalo and goats give us milk. We drink milk. We make many things from milk. Here some picture we see below which are made from milk. We make curd means dahi. We make butter means makhan. We make cheese and ice cream also. All these things are made up from milk. Animals help us in many ways. Hens and duck lays egg. We eat this egg. Hens and duck are also very useful animals. We get honey and wax from beehives. Bee wax is used to make candles. Bees means madhumakhi is also useful for us. Believes believes in beehives means madhumakhi ka chhata. We get honey and wax from beehives. Bee wax is used to make beautiful candle and colorful candle also. Okay. Some animals are also used as food as a meat. Many of us like to eat meat of fish, chicken and mutton. Some insects like silkworm is also useful for us. We get silk from silkworm. Silk is used to make cottons like saris and scarves. The silkworm makes a cocoon around itself. We get silk thread from a silk cocoon. Reels of silk thread are used to make cloth. Silk cloth. Student, in winter season we wear warm cloth. Do you know from where we get warm cloth? They are made of wool. Wool is made from the hair that grows on the sheep body. Wool is used to make woolen clothes to keep us warm in winter. In first process, cutting a sheep hair, making wool, then after wool, then last stage is making of sweater. Now come to the next topic. We also use dead animal skin for leather purpose. For the leather we make leather product like leather shoes, leather belt, leather bags and purse. The skin of some animals, both wild and domestic also, is used to make leather. Snake skin, crocodile skin, buffalo skin and camel are often used. Do you think it is right to kill animals for their skin? No, it's not good for to kill any animals. Some animals like the elephant, camel, donkey, horse and bullocks carry loads for us. They make our work easier. So our chapter Animals That Help Us ends here. Let's do some exercise. As we study the chapter on the basics, this exercise have some statement where we have to see which statement is true or false. For true statement we write T in the side of the blank box. Point number 1. All animals are domestic and can be kept at home. No, we don't keep all the domestic animal at home. Okay, first answer is no. We get milk only from cow and buffalo. No, we get milk from goat also. We get eggs from the birds such as hens and duck. Yes, we get egg from hens and ducks only. We get meat only from chicken. No. This answer will be no. We get silk from silkworm. Yes, we get silk from silkworm. Now come to this exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. You have to write only the correct word, the box given here. Dash is a domestic animal. Cow or lion? Which one is domestic animal? Cow. Yes, you're right. Your answer is right. Now write here cow. Now next, we need dash to make things like cheese and curd. Which thing is used to make cheese and curd? Milk. Yes, you are right. You have to write here only milk. We get honey and wax from dash. From where we get honey and wax? Yes, beehives we get honey and wax. You have to write only here beehives. Now come to the 4 point. We get dash wool and bee wax from sheep. So from where we get wool? Here we only write wool. Okay. Dash is used to make shoes and belt. Leather or milk? Which material is required to make shoe and belt? Yes, leather. This exercise I completed. Now come to the next exercise. Match the following. First one, milk. See column 1 and column B. Milk come to got. Okay. Eggs, duck, wax, beehives, wool, sheep, camel, leather. You have to match all these things. I repeat once again. Milk, got, egg, duck, wax, beehives, wool, sheep, camel, leather. Match the following. Finish. Now come to the question number C. Write 2 examples for each of the following. Domestic animal. Which domestic animal you like? I like horse and cow. You also write this one. Horse and cow. Now come to next question. Animals that gives us milk. Now second answer will be cow and goat. Cow and goat. Cow and goat. Now third question. Milk product. Which one is milk product? Curd. C-U-R-D. Curd. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Third answer is curd. C-U-R-D. Curd. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Now come to the fourth question. Clothes made of silk. Here you write sari. S-A-R-E-E-S. Saris. Scarves. S-C-A-R-V-E-S. Scarves. Again I repeat. Sari. S-A-R-E-E-S. Saris. Scarf. S-C-A-R-V-S. Scarves. Now come to question number 5. Animals that carry heavy loads for us. You write here camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Now second one is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Again I repeat once again. Fifth answer is camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now come to the next topic. Next exercise. Write one word for the following. Animals that can be kept at farms or home. You write cow here. C-O-W. Cow. Now second one. All things made from milk. Butter. Things that is used to make candles. Beehives. B-E-E-B-H-I-V-S. Beehives. Now question number 4. Skin of dead animals which is used to make things like shoe and belt. B-E-L-T. Belt. Again I repeat. B-E-L-T. Belt. Now question number 5. Animals that we keep in our home. Which animal we kept at home are called pet. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Up to this we have done. Now come to the question answer. Answer the following questions. What are domestic animals? Give two examples. Come to page number 25. On the top headline, the animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. Up to this you have to write one line, and after that give two examples from this cow or horse. Okay. Again I repeat, the animals that can be kept at farm or homes are called domestic animals. Cow and horse are two examples. Okay. Now question number 2, there is a mistake. What are milk animal? Okay, not milch. What are milk animals? Why do we drink milk? Now come to page number 'Cow, buffalo are milk animals. We drink milk because it's make us healthy. Okay. Again I repeat, cow and buffalo are milk animals. We drink milk because it's make healthy. Because it makes healthy. Now question number 3. Name any two animals that give us meat. Here you write only hen, H-E-N, hen, H-E-N, hen, and A-N-D, and fish, F-I-S-H, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Now come to question number 4. Give two examples of pet animals. First one is dog, D-O-G, dog, and second one is hen, H-E-N, hen. These are two examples of pets animals. Now come to the question number F. Answer the following questions in detail. Describe with two examples how animals help us. Now come to page number 'Animals like'. Here you write only animals like elephant, camel help us to carry load. Help us to carry load. They make our work easier. They make our work easier. I repeat once again, animals like elephant and camel carry load for us. Number point 1, and second point, they make our work easier. This one you understand. Now come to question number 2. Name the animals that give us silk and wool. What are silk and wool used for? We get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Again I repeat, we get silk from silkworm. And we get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. The silk is used for making saris and scarves. Silk are used for making saris and scarves, and wool are used for making sweater. And wools are used for making sweater. From where we get sorry. Now come to question number 3. From where do we get leather? Name any two things made from it. We get leather. We get leather from the skin of dead animal. We get leather from the dead skin of the animal, like snake, buffalo, like snake and buffalo. Name the two things made from it. It's shoes and belt. Shoe and belts. What are pets? Now come to question number 4. What are pets? How do they help us? They like animals which kept at home. Animals that are kept at home are called pet animal. Animals that kept at home are called pets. How they help us? They help us by playing and look after them. They help us by playing and look after them. Up to this, our exercise is completed. If you